Hey everybody, this is Mark Matson with the Boathouse Group. I work out of our Door County store, and today I'm on BostonWhaler's 230 Outrage. It's been a part of Whaler's lineup since the early 1970s and is a very popular choice. The hull of the 230 is a very deep V, and it's purpose-built to handle offshore, snotty conditions, oftentimes for fishing, but oftentimes for pleasure cruising. It is an absolutely rock-solid, bomb-proof hull. With nothing further to do, let's jump into my 3 favorite things about the 230 Outrage. So the first thing that I love about the 230 Outrage is the way that this hull is built and constructed. It goes without saying that every Whaler hull is unsinkable, but it's equally important to know how it's built, because I don't know about you, but I've been stuck in 6 to 8 foot waves on a 230 Outrage, and the hull handled with precision, with performance, and with total comfort. That peace of mind based on the hull performance is hands down my #1 favorite thing about this boat. When it comes to fishability, the 230 Outrage really stands tall as a very well-equipped on-the-water fishing machine. From multiple in-deck fish boxes to a standard transom live well to 12 rod holders make this boat, the 230 Outrage, an absolute workhorse to help you succeed on the water. The third thing that I absolutely love about the 230 Outrage is that even though it is a hardcore offshore fishing machine, it's also very family friendly, with full-length bolsters all along the way, fold-away bench seats, lots of cushions up front, an adjustable helm seat, stereo, porta potty, anchor windlass. This boat is 100% able to give you and your family and friends all-day fun on the water, even if it doesn't include fishing. Again, my name is Mark Matson. I'm with the Boathouse up in Door County. If there's any questions that I can answer for you or one of my colleagues, please reach out, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the water.